Now, the first question says, Charlie got calls from 2 colleges. So, what will be the minimum marks scored in any of the section? So, look, अगर Charlie total 175 स्कोर करता है, तो उसके कॉलेज 2 और कॉलेज 3 से कॉल्स पॉसिबल है, लेकिन कंडीशन ये है कि उसे सेक्शनल कट ऑफ क्लियर करना चाहिए. So, look, the sectional cut off for B is 45. अगर Charlie 45 से ज्यादा स्कोर करता है सेक्शन B में, तो उसे कॉलेज 2 से कॉल आ जाएगा, और कॉलेज 3 के लिए कोई भी सेक्शनल क्राइटेरिया नहीं देके रखा है, which means he can score 0 also if possible. Now for section C, the cutoff is 46 for college 3. So he has to get at least 46 marks so that he can get call from college 3. Now look, we have to minimize the score of any section and total score is 175. Look, to minimize score of any one section, we have to maximize the scores of all 3 sections. So look, he can score 50 marks in B, 50 marks in C, and if I want to minimize section A, then he can score 50 marks in section D also. So the total marks are B plus C plus D is 150, and our total A plus B plus C plus D is 175. So he can score 25 marks in section A, and then also he can get calls from college 2 and college 3. That's it. Okay, now question says Aditya did not get call from even a single college. So what could be his maximum aggregate score? Look, हमें पता है कि किसी भी कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेने के लिए हमें उस कॉलेज का मिनिमम सेक्शन कट ऑफ क्लियर करना पड़ेगा, और एग्रीगेट तो क्लियर करना ही है, और हमें मैक्सिमाइज करना है एग्रीगेट स्कोर. सो लुक, अगर कॉलेज सेक्शन सी से 4 कॉलेज कवर होते हैं, कॉलेज 1, कॉलेज 2, कॉलेज 3 एंड कॉलेज 5. 4 के लिए सेक्शनल क्राइटेरिया दे रखा है सेक्शन सी से. अगर मैं सेक्शन सी में 41 स्कोर करता हूं, if Aditya scores 41 in section C, then he will not get call from college 1, college 2, college 3 and college 5. ये 4 कॉलेज से तो उसे कॉल आने ही नहीं है, क्योंकि उसका सेक्शन सी का कट ऑफ क्लियर नहीं है. Now, if he scores 43 in section D, अगर उसे 43 मार्क्स मिलते हैं, तो उसे कॉलेज 4 से कॉल नहीं आएगा और कॉलेज 6 से कॉल नहीं आएगा, which means उसे किसी भी कॉलेज से कॉल नहीं आ रहा. 6 के 6 कॉलेज ने उसे रिजेक्ट कर दिया है. उसके बाद even though he scores 50 marks in section A and 50 marks in section B, then also he will not be getting calls from college 1, college 2, college 3, college 4, college 5 and college 6. So which means he is rejected from all colleges. So the total score will be 50 plus 50 plus 41 plus 43, which means his score will be 184. So even though his aggregate score is 184, he is not getting calls from any of the colleges. Okay, now question says Brahma got calls from all colleges. So what will be her minimum aggregate score? So look, अगर Brahma 45 score करती है in section A, then she has cleared the cutoff of section 1 and college 1 and college 4 also. तो अगर ब्रह्मा 45 स्कोर करती है, which means she can get calls from college 1, college 4 and college 5. And okay, for college 2 and college 2, college 3 and college 6, there is no sectional criteria for section A, which means she has cleared the sectional cutoff for all these colleges. Now, if Brahma gets 45 marks in section B, then she has cleared the cutoff of college 1 and college 5 also. College 6 also, which means she will get call from all these colleges again, which means she has to get at least 45 marks in section B. Now, for section C, she has to get at least 46 marks so that she can clear the cutoff of section college 1, college 2, college 3 and college 5. So the minimum score will be 46. Now for section D, she has to get 45 marks so that she will be clearing the cutoff of all colleges. So this minimum score possible is 45. So this will be equal to 45 plus 45, 90 plus 91, which means 181. So even though she gets 181 marks, look, we have to check if this score is more than the aggregate cutoff of all these colleges, and 181 is more than the highest score, which is 180. So now Brahma has cleared sectional cutoff of all colleges. So she will get the calls from all colleges.